morning students. This video is for class 2 students and the subject is computer. In previous video I have started chapter number 2. Some of the portion I have completed in that first video and rest of the portion I am going to explain you today. It is the second video, that's why I have written here part 2. Okay, so when you open your computer book, page number 12, just you open your book, computer book, page number 12. First of all, I am going to give you the quick revision of first part of this chapter. In first part, we have discussed about the comparison in between computer and human being. What are the differences in between computer and a human being? So many differences we have learned. The first one, computer never gets tired, but human being can get tired, may get tired. The second which we have learned, the comparison in between computer and a human being, that is computer never gets bored by doing the same work again and again, but human being may get bored. The third comparison, that is the computer never gets disturbed, but a human being can get disturbed. The fourth comparison, that is a computer is an accurate machine. Computer never makes mistakes, but a human being can make mistakes. The last one is a computer's performance is uniform, that is always the same. Computer's performance is not changes, it is always the same, but human being's performance is changing time to time. So these are the different comparison in between human being and computer we have learned. Today I am going to explain you what are the certain disadvantages of a computer. So today's topic is disadvantages of computer. So this is our today's topic, disadvantages of a computer. So one by one I am going to explain you what are the disadvantages of a computer. The first disadvantage of a computer, that is it can be harmful for our eyes if we use it for long hours. Harmful for eyes. So it is harmful for our eyes if we are using the computer for long hours. Okay. The second disadvantages of a computer, that is it is affected by virus, then it slows down the working process. It is affected by virus. It is affected by a virus. All because of that, the process of working of computer is going to be slow. The next disadvantages of a computer, that is some unused computer parts are non-biodegradable, which results in a lot of electronic waste that pollutes the environment. So we can write here pollutes the environment. Pollutes the environment because all because of the different computer parts are non-biodegradable, that results pollution of the environment. The next disadvantages of a computer, it can be a wastage of time, which if too much of time is spent in playing video games. Even nowadays children, what you are doing, some of the children are very fond of playing games in a computer, so that is the wastage of a time. That is the wastage of a time. So we can say the disadvantage, we can also say or count it as a disadvantages of a computer. Wastage of time. So computer is by playing games in a computer, that is the wastage of time. The next disadvantages, that is number 5, that comes under number 5, it is it cannot think on its own and it is useless without human instructions. So we can write here cannot think by own. Okay, so computer cannot think by own, so it is useless without human instructions. So always computer needs human instructions. The next one, the next disadvantages of a computer is it is decreasing physical activities or involvement in outdoor sports. So we can write here decreasing physical activities. Okay, so nowadays what children are doing, they are just sitting at home, taking the mobile phones. Nowadays smartphones are very popular, taking the mobile phones and start playing the video. They don't want to go outside for playing the game, so it decrease the physical activities of a people. So these are the different disadvantages of a computer, which are the most important, which we have discussed in this class. Once again I am going to repeat it. What are the disadvantages of a computer? First of all, what is the meaning of disadvantages? Disadvantages means the demerit or the certain limitation of a computer. We can also say that these are the certain limitations of a computer. So what are the demerits of a computer? I have written here one by one. You see, the first one is harmful for eyes. Computer is harmful for your eyes if you are using it for long hours. The next one is affected by virus. Sometimes your computer is going to be affected by virus, and all because of that virus the speed of computer is going to slow. The next one is it pollutes the environment. The sum of the parts of the computer is non-biodegradable. Because of that quality, or because of that disadvantages of a computer, it pollutes the environment. So the third one I have written, it pollutes the environment. The next disadvantages of a computer is wastage of time. Some of the children nowadays, what they are doing, they are just wasting their time by playing the games, or we can say that spending their times by playing the games on computer. So it is the wastage of time. Next one is computer cannot think by own. It is the another disadvantages of a computer. Computer always needs instructions from the human side, so it cannot think by own. This is the another disadvantages or the limitation of a computer. The last one I have written here, decreasing physical activities. Nowadays human, or we can say children's or young peoples, are also very fond of an internet. They are spending their most of the time by using an internet. They don't want to go outside. Most of the children, they don't want to go outside for playing the games, which results they have lost their physical activities. So the physical activities of those peoples are decreasing. So this is the next disadvantages of a computer. Now what you have to do, you just take out your computer copy, write down today's date, it is 16th June 2020, and then start writing the heading. Today's topic, it is disadvantages of computer, and then one by one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 disadvantages of computer are written here. You just start copy down in your copy, and then learn it carefully with spelling also. So this is all about lesson number 2, and then in next part we are going to start the exercise portion. So thank you and have a nice day.